welcome back to my channel. This video is gonna be about this wig that's on my head. I know in the other two videos y'all seen me with a short curly wig that was not looking all that good. This wig came today and I could not wait to put it on, and I decided why not show y'all. So I think I did a really good job with it. You know, I was very tired, but other than that, this hair looks good. So please like and subscribe. Hit that like button before we get into this video. Okay, did you do it? I'm waiting. Did you? All right, let's get into this video, y'all. All right, y'all, so this is my wig I got from AliExpress. The company is Alico. Excuse the doll. I was doing a prank on my brother. But right now, as y'all can see, I'm putting makeup onto the cap so it can look, you know, natural and everything. Now I'm about to get ready to put this cap on. I'm about to, you know, brush my edges back, slick them back so it won't be in the way of the cap. Now I'm spraying it on there. Spraying the got to be spray on there, and I'm just gonna get the comb and brush it back, well, comb it back and get the blow dryer so it can, you know, stay there. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Give it a thumbs up if you don't. Comment below, you know, if you like it or not. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Make sure y'all subscribe to me. And if you want more videos like this, you know, hopefully I have better settings, like, you know, somewhere else where y'all can actually see what I'm doing in a comfortable spot for me, because standing up just was not it. My back hurts. But and the lighting in the bathroom is horrible. Let me know if y'all want another wig tutorial, because I got 2 other wigs coming. You know, I'm not gonna take this out to do it, but I will show y'all eventually. So stick around. In the next video.